Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Marc in New Jersey on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Marc, we got it ready to go for you, bud. You wanted the green LED light put in the meter. We took care of that for you. And the voltage regulator upgrade, and we unlocked the clarifier per your instructions. And it's ready to go. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down. Roll it up. It's a hair over 125 all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Low. So about 225, 230 average. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Low. About 575 PEP. Going over here to sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2. So about 540 on sideband. All right, Marc, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.